Good evening. This is Damyanti. I had attended Dr. Rakesh Jika 9 days Ichapurti Hanuman Sadhana, and it was an awesome program and it's a mind blowing. I had lot of breakthroughs in this program. It is like a rebirth to me, and I had lot of negativity, maybe lot of challenges in my life. I think I had a great clarity during this 9 days program, and this is like as I said, it's a rebirth, and it's like connecting deeper into yourself and knowing yourself. And this is a breakthrough I had, and it's a big transformation. See, there was two, three exercises where I want to just touch upon. One was that going back to your past, reviewing a 49 years of life and then finding a solution. That was a bigger breakthrough, and it helped me to identify what is the reasons why we have these sufferings. And the second thing is ask, ask, ask. Yes, I started doing this, implementing this. Yeah, until you ask, you don't get. It's like Rakesh ji during the session, he said, small child, no, babies have to cry for the milk if they are hungry. No, until they cry, they don't get the food. So same way you have to ask what you want. It is ask 3 times. If you ask 9 times, you will get conversion. That's so no hesitation to ask. Third thing is that identifying your people who have in during your life who have hurt you, and we also hurt, right? So how we get to forgive them and ask sorry. So this exercise removed lot of my baggages. Maybe most times we are our egos no never allow us to ask forgiveness. And today in my office also there was a lot of challenges. I have challenging them. End of it, I asked them, sorry, forgive me, I love you. And they just bust out and Dama, what is this? No, this is what happens. And I think I'm not losing my patience during this 9 days. So what I'm seeing is I'm controlling. Of course, there are a lot of challenges coming, as Rakesh says in his session. When you have a positive things, there is a negative things also happen. When you go up, you are also coming down. So there will be problems, and problems are temporary, whereas our soul is permanent. So how we can live in the present is very important. So the past is depression, future is anxiety. Live today, enjoy your life. I want to enjoy my life. And another thing is like first my magic manifestation was started with relationship, but over the period it changed to health, because the health is very important. And when I talk about health, I have lost around 300 kgs and some inches. That's a more confident. And from yesterday, I have introduced Hanuman Chalisa 4 times in my office for changing the physiology. Maybe gradually, as different people join, I may move out of other Hanuman Chalisa and introduce other musics. It may what I see is business people also started this. Today I had business people coming and they were enjoying. I as the main focus is enjoying your present life. I think this is going to help and improve their health. Thank you, Rakesh ji, for this transformation. And you have a lot of amazing patience, and you eagerly want to give out. There's no restriction in sharing the knowledge. That's awesome, which I really liked it, and I recommend this program to many of you. Whoever not maybe joined, maybe this would have a really, real a breakthrough program for anybody who is having sufferings and who wants to achieve their goals and purpose and reach their career, achieve their career at the highest level. I'm so grateful for Hanumanji and Dr. Rakeshji. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you.